Alright, YouTube, so in this video I'm going to show you how to save your transmission from breaking down. If you wanted to make it last longer, you can do this on any car. So this is what you got to do. So if you notice, when you remove your oil pan, the pan is going to have some car has two little magnet on the bottom. This is a little weak magnet that they put on. See, this one they put it here so it can grab all the grinding metal in there, so it can grab it on the bottom and on the top. That's why they put this little thing on it. But most of the cars they just put it flat down. It has a little dimple, so this thing won't slide, but it's not gonna slide anyways. Some car, if you can open the transmission pan, you can do this from the outside. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna get one of these tray. This tray is to hold, it has a magnet, it's to hold the screw in there in the tray so they don't, so they stick. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take that magnet, you're gonna take it off, take the rubber off, and you're gonna place it. You're gonna find the deep spot in the pan. So don't put it up here on the side where it's gonna make contact with the transmission board right there. So you're gonna find one of the deep spot right here. You're gonna stick that in just like that. As you can see, there's a very strong magnet. So on your next transmission oil change, you're not gonna have all this thing like pitch black full of metal, because the thing is this: once those magnets cannot hold any more of the grinding metal, all those metal is gonna start going in your transmission solenoids and all that stuff, and that's why the transmission, they break down, and then you gotta spend a lot of money replacing it. So you get yourself a bigger magnet, or you can put a lot of magnet. They sell some small ones, really strong. You can buy them online and just stick a couple of them inside. And like I said, if you cannot do this from the inside, you can always stick it on the outside on the bottom. So if you're gonna do it from the bottom, I would do at least 4 of them and just keep it there. You can keep this rubber on it if you're gonna decide to get the same one I got. You can keep this on. That way, if anything stick on it, you can just pop the rubber off, clean it, and pop it back in. So like I said, you can do like 4 on the outside. That's gonna help you a lot. So whenever you do your next transmission oil change, all those metal is gonna be stuck to the magnet, and the oil is gonna last longer, and that's how you're gonna save your transmission. So I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright, so I figured out the best spot for this van. This is gonna be, it's gonna be right here. So you're gonna take your old one after you clean it and everything, and you're just gonna drop it right there. And you're gonna take your other magnet and put it right in there. So when you put it in, that magnet is gonna end up being right here. So it's not gonna interfere with the filter, because you don't want to block that. So that's gonna end up over here, which is perfect because that's where the other one was. And then this one, the other small one, it's gonna end up right here. So let me show you. Everything in the angle. Gotta go in the angle first. Right there. Okay, as you can see, that's perfect right there. So I just got to put all my screw in, and remember, your magnet is right here, right with all those little dimples. Okay, so if we drop it down, that's where your magnet is, right here. Alright, so make sure you find the right spot. Don't just drop it in there and think you're done. So find the right place, fit it in. But like I say, if you're doing any Chevy Express van, this one has a 4.8. It's a 3500 4.8. But they're all the same. So any van, any box truck that has the front of the van, they will be the same. So you can do the same process, and you can buy these real cheap at Harbor Freight, or I'm sure you got one handy. So just do that, and trust me, you're gonna thank me in the long run. Alright, so let me put this back.